I have my Maryland State Circuit Court trial coming up in my auto accident personal injury case. What can I expect my lawyer to do? Hey folks, John Leppler here. Personal injury lawyer right here in Pikesville, Maryland. And I represent my clients in their injury and wrongful death claims all over the state of Maryland. When a person suffers severe injuries, broken bones, surgeries needed, extensive lost time from work, maybe more than a year, extensive pain and suffering, maybe lifelong injuries. This case will not be filed in district court. If you saw my earlier video, this case will be filed in a Maryland Circuit Court. And more often than not, you can expect your personal injury lawyer to pray for a jury trial in your case. If your circuit court trial is coming up, here's what you can expect your lawyer to do. Number one, your lawyer will be calling doctors. They're called expert witnesses under the law. They will be calling doctors to testify on your behalf that the accident that you were involved in, whether motorcycle, truck, or car accident, caused your injuries. Your medical treatment was reasonable and medically necessary. The medical bills incurred for your medical treatment for your injuries was fair, reasonable, and customary for the geographic region. You can also certainly expect your lawyer to call you as a witness. They'll be doing what is called a direct examination of you. They'll be asking you how the accident happened. They'll be asking you generally about your background. They'll be showing you different exhibits, whether it's photographs of property damage to the motor vehicles involved, whether it's images of the accident scene, whether it's images of your injuries. You can expect your lawyer to have documents ready to show you and successfully be able to question you about them and then admit them into evidence. You can also expect your lawyer to be able to effectively cross-examine the defendant driver, the driver who caused the accident, the defendant driver's own expert witnesses, the doctors that the defendant driver will retain to testify against you and say that, well, your injuries may not be that severe, you may have not needed all the treatment, your bills may not be fair and reasonable, etc. When you are in circuit court, you are there for a reason. You suffered severe injuries, potentially lifelong injuries, as I explained earlier. You need a lawyer who has done this before. You need a lawyer who has successfully taken case after case to a trial by jury when it's warranted. Hopefully, if your lawyer is doing everything he's supposed to do for you throughout the pretrial process, your case will likely settle pre-trial. A very, very small amount of cases for auto accident personal injury claims actually go to a trial by jury anyway. If you or a loved one suffered severe injuries, suffered extensive lost time from work because of an auto accident and no fault of their own, I urge you to call me at no cost to you. I do this every single day, done several trials under my belt as the lead trial attorney. You'll be working with me. I will be your lawyer to try your case. Feel free to call me, 443-955-1989. I'd love to talk to you about your situation. Thank you.